Kitchen party!
Our master is not at home. We haven't worked for a long time. Let's get to work.
What should I cook then?
Let's have a cooking skill competition. Let's see who is best at cooking.
Yeah!
Great! Frying pan. Hi all, I'm Frying Pan. I can fry the egg and steak. Fried egg. Let me get the ingredients ready first. La la la. Let's start frying the egg. Oil. Mold. Egg. The hot oil may spill out. Be careful not to get burned. Yeah, all done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. Let me take a shower first. Look, this is the fried egg I made. Thank you. Yo, yo, yo! We are the happy steamer siblings. We are steamer. We can steam the corn and fish. Steamed fish. Let's get the ingredients ready. Marinate the fish. Salt. Cooking wine. Scallion and ginger. We are going to start steaming the fish. Water. Fish. Watch out! The steam is really hot. It's well cooked. We are dirty all over. We need to be washed clean. Yo, yo, yo! This is the delicious fish we steamed. Thank you. Thank you. Next, it is my showtime. I am juicer. I can make the fruit juice and vegetable juice. Make the fruit juice.
Let's get some fruits ready first.
Strawberry. Banana.
Let's make the fruit juice.
Strawberry. Banana.
Cover me up with the hat so the juice won't spill out.
All done.
Pour the fruit juice. I am dirty all over after making juice. I need to be washed clean before getting on stage. This is the yummy fruit juice. Thank you for enjoying my performance.
It's my turn. I hope you will love it. Ahem. I am Clay Pot. I am good at cooking braised sirloin with carrots and braised chicken with mushrooms. Braised chicken with mushrooms. Let me get the ingredients ready first. Mushroom. Mushroom. Let's start cooking braised chicken with mushrooms. Water. Chicken. Mushroom. Simmer over a low heat. That's it. Simmer slowly. Slowly. All done. Add some salt. Okay, let's scoop it out. I am dirty all over. Let me take a shower before getting on stage. This is braised chicken with mushrooms. Thank you. Thank you.
Yahoo! It's my turn to get on stage. Watch me. Hi, y'all. I'm Stockpot. I can cook tomato and egg soup as well as noodles. Tomato and egg soup. It's time to get the ingredients ready.
Egg. 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 Let's stir it. Tomato. Be careful not to cut your hand. Let's cook tomato and egg soup. Water. Tomato. Egg. Salt. The boiling soup is really hot. Please be careful. All done. Scoop it out into a bowl. I am dirty all over after cooking. Let me take a shower first. This is the hot tomato and egg soup that I made. Yeah, I am amazing.
It's my turn. Now enjoy my performance. I am Wok. I'm good at making stir-fried beef with onions and fried rice. Fried rice. I'm going to get the ingredients ready. Egg. 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 Let's stir it. Cucumber. Be careful not to cut your hand. Delicious fried rice. Let's start the show. Oil. Egg. Cucumber. Rice. I am very hot when cooking. Please be careful. All done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. I need to wash up immediately for a handsome appearance on stage. Ta-da! This is the delicious fried rice I made. Thank you! Thanks for the compliments!